Hey y'all, Daniel Gaines here real quick. Just something I want to vocalize. I'm curious about them bringing in an outside judge. I'm of two minds with this. On the one hand, I think they're setting him up to take the fall for him. I think they're setting him up as the fall guy, the scapegoat. That way they can try and pin everything on him whenever he goes along with the get along like they've all done so far. And since they're all caught, and I have a tendency to record and not care about what they say because federal law supersedes state law all the time, thanks to the Supremacy Clause, they know that I'll have proof of him engaging in misconduct if he does. So I think they're setting him up to take the fall. On the other hand, there's a small part of me, the part that still thinks there's actual justice in this country. Haha, it's a fucking joke, I know. But the stupid part of me that still thinks there's justice thinks they're bringing in an outside judge because they're actually going to have him correctly deal with everything. And they don't want it being a judge in this county who still has to work with these people after the fact. So they're going to let the anger of the public servants and the vitriol of the public servants fall on somebody who's outside of their voting jurisdiction and minimize the blowback that comes to them. Either way, though, it comes to they've done it to protect themselves. They know they're fucked. They know they're caught. They know their corruption is going to be exposed. As such, they don't want to deal with it. But as I've stated, I know how the fucking system works. I know that I don't have to submit motions in advance. I can submit some motions the day of the hearing. In court. At the start of the hearing. And because the things I can prove, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm also going to have a surprise witness. That'll be revealed at that time. Or at least whenever the surprise witness, well, that'll be revealed at that time. Anyway, I'll have some motions. And it's majority of these motions, the majority of the reason is because, well, complying with the law, the Constitution, state rules, codes of conduct, things of that sort. However, there's a small part of it that it's being done to ensure that Anthony Dorsett Jr., the judge, who's coming up from Potosi to deal with this case, is actually going to comply with the things he's supposed to comply with. And it again should be noted, I'll know with the first motion what side of things he's on. If he's on the side of corruption or the side of the Constitution and the rule of law. And it's at that moment that I will determine if I allow him to address this or not. Because he fucks around, he will find out. I'll already have an amended copy of my lawsuit with it to include him and what he's done. The ironic part is, I'll have all of what he's done already in a document when I show up to court that day in a lawsuit, signed under penalty of perjury. And everything I put about him will be accurate if I am forced to file the amended petition to include him. And I'll be walking out the fucking courtroom right to the clerk's office to do it, and then go right back into the courtroom and have him fucking handle the lawsuit right there on the bench. I don't care. I'm done playing with these fucking people. So, yes, I'm going to preempt everything he's going to do. And it's my experience with corrupt judges and lawyers that allow me to know exactly what he's going to do. Now, I could be surprised and I could have no reason to file the amended petition. I hope that's the case. But seeing as I know what to expect from these corrupt fucking clowns, I don't know if he's corrupt or not. I've got information that'll be getting back to me. I'll put it like that. I put out the word that I need information on this judge. So, not bad information, just about how he is in the courtroom. Does he comply with the law? Does he protect rights? Does he comply with court rules? Things of that sort. And I know 3 people who've dealt with him, and it's kind of a split review right now. But I'm waiting for people who actually have court documents with his signature to reach out to me. And don't worry, I'll have some. Or I'll just go to the courts down there's website and get them myself. But I'll know about this judge long before the trial or the protective order hearing even starts. And I'll already know if he's going to be included in the lawsuit or not. Again, this is for me. It's about trying to force investigations. I'll play this song and dance as long as I have to. But I'm not going to take any more shit. I'm done with that. They'll either comply with the law or they'll keep giving me court orders saying the law doesn't apply to me. And the scary part about that is, if that's the game they really want to play, to where they want to keep saying the laws don't apply to me, they don't get to pick and choose which laws don't apply to me. It's none of them. Period. So, I say we actually apply the law. Keeps everyone safe, keeps everyone honest, keeps everything fair. And that's as it should be. I shouldn't have to go through all this fucking trauma and harm to my fucking physical health because of corrupt public fucking servants. Especially whenever they don't have to suffer the same. That's not equal under the law, is it? Things were equal. If I have to go through this because of corrupt public servants, I should get to put corrupt public servants through the same thing. That's equal. Same as if the laws don't apply to them, they can't apply to me. That's equal. Anything short is a violation of my rights. So, I just want the law upheld. I just want this shit dealt with. There's no reason why this shit should still be going on. Especially whenever there's video that directly contradicts the claims. And there's, well, y'all will see. Y'all will see. Don't worry, much more to come. Y'all have a good day. Peace.